Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how to set a custom start page in the MI browser on your phone. If you want to open a specific website, like Google, every time you launch MI browser, first, unlock your phone and open the MI browser. Next, look toward the bottom right side and tap on the profile icon. Then, observe at the top right corner where you will find the settings icon. Tap it to open the full list of options. After that, scroll down through the settings menu and look for the advanced options. Once you find advanced, tap on it to open additional settings. Now, look for the option that says Set Start Page and click on it. Then, choose the custom option to set your own website as the start page. After selecting Custom, enter the website you want to open every time, such as Google, and then click OK to save your settings. Finally, close the settings. And the next time you open MI browser, it will automatically load the website you selected. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends.